Recording in progress.
All right. Hey, I'm down here. So the reason for this on the video, it works better in my classroom, I guess. But on the video, is that this is actually high up on my wall, so everyone can see it. But now that we're on this video, it makes me down here. But that's fine. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about concert pitch and why we don't all play the same pitch to create concert pitch. So, for example, when we play our concert B flat scale, it sounds like we're playing the same notes. However, as we've understood and known that like clarinet starts on C, while flute starts on B flat, trumpet starts on C, alto saxophone starts on G, and French horn starts on F. And we're going to talk a little bit about how that works out, how we can figure out what notes to play if we change concert B flat to anything. And we're not talking about scales, perhaps. We're talking about the pitch. So if I were to ask you, play concert E flat, then I want everyone to play a certain pitch that sounds the same, but we have to play different pitches to make that happen because our instruments are different. So there's a few things we need to know to figure this out. And first, we need to look at my little, I got my longest pointer stick ever. So we need to look at the piano up here. It's like a piano. So we need to know that anytime you go from one thing to the neighbor, neighbor is the closest neighbor. There's no one in between a neighbor because then it's not a neighbor anymore. So when you go to the closest neighbor, that's half step, 1/2 step. Or one step, and then you keep going to the next neighbor. So if we figure out that, hey, we need to go up three, well, then we start here and we go 1, 2, 3. That's all we really need to know about that to figure out for this lesson about concert pitch. The next thing we need to know a little bit about is this little step ladder here. And the step ladder here works that you start where the information I give you is. For example, if I say concert E flat, then we have to start here, concert E flat, and then you go towards. So if we go towards trumpets, we have to go up 2. On this ladder, though, there's different groupings. We have F horn, French horn down here by itself, because that's the only band instrument that works in that way. We have the E flat instruments, alto saxophone and bari sax. We have the C instruments, flute, trombone, tuba, bass, electric bass, percussion, euphonium. And then we have the B flat instruments, trumpet, clarinet, tenor sax, bass, clarinet. All right, so let's try and do one that we know first. So we usually play concert B flat. So we put in the concert B flat here. And then, as I said, if we're going to figure out what the trumpets are going to play, we need to go towards the trumpets and figure out how many steps that is. So to go to trumpets, which is up, we have to go 1, 2 up. So concert B flat, we find B flat on the piano. And then we go 2 up, 2 to the right. 1, 2. So trumpets are going to play a C to match the pitch. Alto saxophones, so the concert pitch is still B flat. Saxophones, we have to go the opposite way. Down here it says A sax, alto saxophone. So we go down 1, 2, 3 down. So we find the concert B flat. It says B flat up there. So down how many? 1, 2, 3. We go down 3, 1, 2, 3. So alto saxophones has to play a G to match when trumpets play a C. Now, of course, I could turn around too. If you play a C on trumpet, what concert pitch is that? Well, then we have to plug in the information I gave you. So then trumpets are playing a C. To get to concert pitch, we have to go down 2. So concert pitch is C, down 2, 1, 2, concert B flat. So we're now going to try that, try a couple of pitches. Yeah, cool. There's no one here, but I'm talking to you like you're here, right? So we're going to try that. And so concert E flat, we're going to go through the band then. So tuba, what would you play if it's concert E flat? Now all those C instruments are really easy when I'm asking that way, because they just have to repeat what I said. So tuba, concert E flat, what do you play? E flat, sir. That's right. You just, because we plug in E flat right here, and tuba is down on that list, so you play E flat. Euphonium, what about you? E flat, sir. Good job. Trombones. Hey, what are you talking about, trombones? E flat, sir. Good job. French horn, what do you play in concert E flat? Well, we put in E flat here. We go towards French horn. We have to go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down from E flat. Here's E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So French horn has to play B flat to match concert E flat. That was French horn. Trumpets. What do you have to play? Concert E flat. D, sir. No, that's the wrong way. That's close, but it's the wrong way. G. Well, let's figure it out then. So we put E flat here. We go towards trumpets. Is trumpets up or down? It's up, sir. Good. So we're going to go up. How many? 2, sir. 1, 2. So 2 up from E flat. 1, 2. So we're going to play an F then, sir? Yes. You're going to play an F when it's concert E flat. That is correct. That was trumpets. Bass sax and alto saxophone. What are you guys going to play? Excuse me. Bass sax, alto saxophones. What are you going to play? Concert E flat. Go back here, up or down to find the alto saxophone, bass sax. Down, sir. Yes, we're going to go down. How many? 3, sir. 1, 2, 3 is correct. 3 down from concert E flat. 1, 2. We're going to play a C, sir. Yes. So baritone, bass sax and alto saxophones play a C when we play concert E flat. Now, the reason why we use, of course, this concert pitch is for efficiency. Well, first of all, because if I want to make sure you're playing the right pitch together, I can say concert A and everyone plays the same thing. I could say trumpets, you're going to play B natural. Tuba, you're going to play A. Flutes, like it takes forever to go through all the instruments. So when you know the system, it goes faster. All right. So how about clarinet, tenor sax, and bass clarinet? Are you guys going to play what? Concert E flat? We're the same as trumpets, sir. They were going to play an F. Yeah, so that means you're going to play an F too. So the B flat instruments plays an F in when it's concert E flat. And what then we kind of only have flute left. Flute, what are you going to play? Well, I'm a C instrument, sir, so I should play what you said. That's right, E flat. Cool. Now, pop on over, check out the multiple choices things. Count on the video here. When you're back in the classroom here, we're going to try this out and have you play it and count, and we're going to see if we, because then we can also hear if we're all playing the right pitches. So have a go at the multiple choice.